Students, so here I am going to explain. We are discussing the chapter squares and square roots. So actually squares and square roots means in this what is the squares and what is the square roots. We will discuss one by one. So actually till now what we know actually some square is there like this, and then area of the square. What we are taking area of the square? Nothing but side into side. Nothing but side square we are getting. That means area of a square. This in the previous earlier classes we have discussed in your small classes. So area of a square is equal to s into s, nothing but s square. So here what it is in geometry we have learned this. But now we are not discussing the geometric part. We are discussing the square of the numbers. So here this is the geometric part, but we are not discussing the geometric part. We are discussing the square of the numbers. So square of the numbers means actually what is a square? What is a square? So square means a number multiplied by itself. Number multiplied by itself once is nothing but the square. So that means what? 1 is multiplied with 1, nothing but 1 square you will get. 2 is multiplied by 2, nothing but 2 square, which is equal to 4. 3 is multiplied by itself, nothing but 3 square, which is equal to 9. 4 is multiplied by 4, nothing but 4 square, which is equal to 16. And 5 is multiplied by 5, which is equal to 5 square. 2 times na? So 5 square, which is equal to 25. So like this, so on we'll write. That means a number multiplied by itself, means with the same number, then that is nothing but the square. So here we are going to discuss actually what is a perfect square and what is not a perfect square. So here perfect square means, so what is a perfect square? So perfect square means what actually? It gives, that means a number multiplied by itself is nothing but means what is a square? Square means nothing but a number multiplied by itself. It is nothing but a square, and this is nothing but a perfect square. So perfect square means this only you will get. So non-perfect square we will discuss. Perfect square and this one square is nothing but the same itself. And non-perfect square means what? Then in between the perfect square, that means here 4 is there. So that means 1 into 1 square you are getting 1, and then 2 square means 4, and 3 square means what you are getting 9, and 16 and 25 and so on you are getting. These are the perfect squares we are getting. So in between the perfect squares, this 1 and 2, what it is? This is 1 square, nothing but. And this is 2 square, and this is 3 square, and this is 4 square, 5 square. So in between these two numbers, so which two means which numbers are missing? That means 2 and 3. And in these two numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. In these two numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 till 15 are missing. And these two numbers, what it is? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that means whatever the in between the perfect squares which are missing numbers, those numbers are non-perfect numbers, we'll say. Why? Because it doesn't have, means it is not multiplied. 2 means 2, nothing but if it is 2 is multiplied by 1, then you will get 2. So means it doesn't have a perfect square. That means it is not multiplied, it cannot be multiplied by itself. A number which is multiplied by itself, then that number is nothing but, this is 4 means 2 square, the same number 3 square. Like that here we don't get now. So these type of numbers we call it as non-perfect numbers. Okay. See students, so if I observe in the non-perfect squares, if we observe here what it is in between 1 and 4. So what you are getting? 2 and 3. That means 2 numbers you are getting. And then next one 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 4 numbers you are getting. And here what? 16 in between 9 and 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers we are getting. And here what? In between 16 and 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means how many numbers we are getting in between the numbers, between the square numbers n and n plus 1. So n and n plus 1 means whatever the next number what you are having. Means first one 4 and next one first one 1 and next one 4 and next one 9. That means two perfect one after whatever the number you are having, that is the 4 perfect square, and here it is 9. So in between the numbers, so first for the first two numbers what it is, here the perfect numbers means 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are there and so on. That means for the first, in between the first two perfect squares you are having two numbers, and in between the next two perfect squares what you are having, 4 numbers you are having, and then in between the 4 non-perfect numbers, and here what it is, in between the other two it is 6, and next one here what, 8. So like that, so on. So here if you observe 2, 4, 6, 8, that means even numbers we are getting. So that means in between 2n numbers we will get. So 2n number of numbers we will get. So here we can write it as a property. So like in between the perfect squares n and n plus 1, we are having a 2n number of numbers.